Bye guys, welcome back to my channel. So Big Hit just dropped another J-Hope music video on us out of nowhere. Just dropping bombs. Ooh, it's number 17 on trending. It's what he deserves. If you guys haven't seen my reaction to Daydream and the whole mixtape, I will link it on my end card. Also in an eye right here. But in that video, I said that my favorite song was Hangsang, and then it was Airplane. And then if I had to pick a third, it'd probably be Daydream. But yeah, I really liked Airplane, and so I'm super happy that they did a music video for it. I absolutely love Daydream. I love the visuals, I love the concept. I loved everything about it. So I'm excited for Airplane, so let's watch it. Pretty. I love the instrumentals for this song so much. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. The curly hair. Oh my god, look at him. He looks good. Airplane. I love the visuals of this. Oh my god, that's pretty. Just see the way it wrapped around? Oh my god. My boy. This song is so good. I love all these videos of just like where the member gets their own video to themselves. Like I need that for everybody. Check it. Oh my god, he looks so good. I love him. That's cool. I love that. The visuals of this. It gives me like Serendipity vibes, like all the like shit in the back, especially with the stars in the beginning. Like right there, like that. I love it. This song is so good. They look so good, dude. Wow. Airplane. I love it. I love him. This whole mixtape is beautiful. Daydream is beautiful. This was beautiful. I love, now that I think about it, how Serendipity and this kind of like remind me of each other. That's funny because him and Jimin are roommates. I love this. It's just a whole video of J-Hope just feeling himself. Oh my god. My battery's dying. Why? You like this? Anyway, any more thoughts that I have on this? It was just really good. Like, you know it's good. I knew it was gonna be good before I even clicked on it because it's J-Hope. Okay, I love this whole mixtape and I'm so proud of everything that it's like achieving. Because it's what he deserves. My camera died before I could do like an outro. But anyways, this song's good. All the songs are good. Imagine a music video for a Hangsang though. That would be the cause of my death. But yeah, the visuals of this were stunning and his visuals are stunning. He's handsome. I love the curly hair. And I feel like I just can't say enough good things about J-Hope. I cannot tell you guys how much I love J-Hope. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen my reaction to Daydream and the mixtape, like I said, it'll be on my end card if you want to stay through till that. Click it. You can go look at it. You can go watch it. I'd love to know what you think about this music video down below. And if there's any any other song off the mixtape that you would want a music video for? Let me know down below. I feel like any music video for any of these songs would be just incredible. Like imagine the visuals that would come with that. Wow. Can BTS pull a Beyonce and just release an album that has a music video for every single song? Big hit. Come on. But yeah, this reaction was short and sweet. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And also subscribe to my channel down below because I do reactions all the time. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!